behalf of all the players here, we are very grateful and honored to see our father of the nation here today. Coming for our first game shows a lot for us, shows how much this tournament is important for our nation. His Excellency, you said it, and you are here today. We want to thank you for that, for the support, and really for being here, because this is something that have really touched each and every player here today. So we're very grateful. Camp has been perfect, training has been perfect. Now, today is the game. We are not going to talk much because we are very prepared for the game, and we're preparing for it in the next 2-3 hours. So we just want to say a big thank you, and that everything was perfect till now. So it's for us to go and do our job on the field. Thank you very much.
I've been in the national team for years now, and this camp has been the perfect one. Anything that you promised, the leadership, Dr. Kiki Sapon had made sure we get everything. And for now, I can say the players are poised for the game ahead of us. Between that team also, each and everyone has been doing his work perfectly. And I believe that this tournament we will not let the nation down. We do our best, to make sure the cup, which has been eluded for years, we make sure we bring it back home.
First of all, to bring you greetings from all 30 million people in Ghana. They are saying a big hello to you, and they're all behind you. I don't think there's anybody tonight who's not going to be behind their television set watching the beginning of the competition for you. We've been eager, we've been seeing other people play, and everybody is very, very, very anxious to see the Black Stars also come out. So that's my first message. And secondly, I promised that I would come on this occasion. And I want to keep my promises to you and to everybody else in Ghana about the things. So basically, just to come and say, good luck to you tonight. Everybody knows that in sport, luck is also important. And that's what we're all praying for. But apart from the preparation, and I'm told the preparation, Skipper has said so, the coach has said so, other people have told me since I came that the preparations in camp have been excellent, that there's a lot of discipline and a lot of harmony in the camp. That was real music to my ears, because I think without that, without the discipline, without the harmony, it's difficult to make any serious progress. I don't know that there's a better team in this competition than you. So as far as I'm concerned, if you win this competition, it's because you deserve it. So go out there and play for all of us in Ghana and write your name down in the history of Ghanaian football. All kinds of people have played for the Black Stars. They're not remembered so much as the ones who won. So you are going to also add your names to the list of those who won. I want to take the opportunity to thank the technical team for all the support and the work that they have been doing. And I hope we'll continue to do right until this competition. The Egyptian president and I have promised that we will meet in the final. So that I can come back to Cairo. So the very best of luck to you.